How to restore Duolingo streak easily. So first things first is access your Duolingo app and make sure that you log into your account. Now this is gonna be your home dashboard from Duolingo. Next to it is your trophies and your streaks. Now next thing is gonna be your profile, your statistics, and all the settings that you can access. Next thing is going to be your quests, badges, and rewards. The next to it is going to be your Duolingo feed. Now, if you go back to your current trophies and streaks, and you would like to restore or recover the lost streak that you have. Now, basically, there is actually no a direct option for us to be able to recover those feature that you have accumulated by yourself, but the troubleshooting step that you can do is go to your phone's home and then find your phone settings. Now in here, scroll down a bit and then go to additional settings. And here go to date and time. Now the next thing that you will do is to turn off the set time automatically, and you'll have to backdate the specific time where or when you have accumulated those specific streak that you have from Duolingo. Set it up, save it, and then go back to your Duolingo app and check if you have successfully recovered your Duolingo streak. So that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps that you can do for you to be able to restore your Duolingo streak easily.